Hey everybody, and welcome to Robin's house. Guess what came to my house? I got my card subscription. And the scrapbooking subscriptions work very similarly in that I grew enough cards or scrapbook pages to last 4 months come to your house 3 times a year. And so you have some projects to work on. So this is my card, Craft with Heart. And so the first thing you get is your description of all the cards that are in here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Not sure if I counted this one. 11 or 12 cards. And it looks like 2 of them are slimline. And they are just full of stitching. So stitching is all the thing right now. We did it all over in the Smitten workshop too. And then it's gonna, here's a little brief preview of the stamp set that's going to be in there. These card kits have the best messages. So if you get it for only the stamp set, you're set. And so there's a little description of each of the card kits that you have on here. And then let's see. Oh, we got more colored. 4. So you get 2 of each card. So we've got some colored envelopes here, pink ones, neutral ones, and some orangey ones. Ooh, thanks for being a 12-month subscriber. A free stamp set. Oh, I got an extra special stamp set because I'm a subscriber. Handmade. Oh, that would be lovely. And special delivery. I love that. Like happy. Oh, there's the Happy Mail words. That's all the thing right now. Okay, so yay, I get a present. And I get a block. Every time I have a new subscription, I get a little block and a little ink pad. And then here is the stamp set. What a nice thank you. Let's put some white background here so we can see. I love this thank you. Just a nice square word. Sometimes you really, really want a square word, right? You're gonna woof, woof, hooray. Love you more. Sending love and hugs. So happy you're here. Isn't that nice? And a nice solid happy birthday. Fun, fun. Okay, so that's my stamp set. And then this is what you get. It's all nice and shrink wrapped for you. This is all the card bases and the decoration in here. All shrink wrapped and ready to go. So what you're going to get is, so this is going to be your collection of card bases here of various sizes and styles. And if you're really ambitious, look at some of these. If you really, really like this plaid, for example, I would chop this off and make a whole new card out of this side. So cute. And this really cute pink plaid. Although this looks like a gate card because there's a fold here and a fold here too. And then I saw some other ones. Look at that cute little paper and those little polka dots, adorable. So lots of fun there. And then these are probably some for the slimline card. Oh, I see, of course. So that's the whole thing. Okay, and here's another fun fold card with extra folds. And then these are all your decorations. So like everything on here is for card 1, and this is card 2, a little small thing for card 9 and card 3, and you'll have 2 copies of each of those and all the way through. So that's fun. I can't wait to get started. I'm going to put everything back, and you have time to get yours. This kit is from, it says right here, January to April. So anytime before April, when you place an order for your card subscription, this is the kit that will come. I think once you get into April and you sign up, you can choose if you want the January to April or if you want the May to September. So that's nice too. But it's time for making cards. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting.